Doordash Earned by Time is an optional pay mode where Dashers get paid per active hour instead of earning per delivery. Here's how it works. When you start dashing, DoorDash may give you two options, earn by offer or earn by time. If you choose earn by time, you're paid a guaranteed hourly rate for the time you're actively on an order, meaning from the moment you accept an order until you complete the delivery. The hourly rate varies by market and is shown before you start. On top of that, you still keep 100% of customer tips, which can significantly boost your earnings. However, there are a few trade-offs. You'll usually receive fewer order details upfront, and DoorDash expects you to complete deliveries efficiently. Excessive delays or unassigned orders can remove access to earn by time. This mode is best during slow hours, heavy traffics, or long distance orders, where per delivery pay might be low. In simple terms, earn by time gives you more predictable pay, while earn by offer gives you more control and flexibility. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.